first of all you need to click on website and click on this auto installer. Now from here you need to choose your domain. So I have installed my WordPress into a subdomain called tech news, which I want to deprecate now. So in the right hand side you can see this is a 3 button. So click on it and click on delete button. You see it shows the WordPress has been installed in this subdomain. So click on it and click on delete. So it will show you an page which shows that delete application, delete installation file and delete database. So I will choose all the 3 boxes and click on delete. So it will delete the WordPress from this subdomain and it will be done within couple of seconds. So wait for few seconds. Now after deleting the WordPress from the subdomain, it's time to delete the subdomain also. So for that, go to domains and click on the subdomain. See, I have installed WordPress into my subdomain, so I will delete the subdomain also, because this is in, see, if you want to do not delete the subdomain, so this is different case. You may install your own some types of CMS, okay, rather than WordPress. You can install any types of CMS on the subdomain, so you does not need to delete the subdomain right now. But I want to delete the subdomain also, so I delete this. So I want to delete this subdomain, which is tech news, because I have installed WordPress into that subdomain also. So click on this delete icon and click on delete, and it will delete the subdomain also for us. So wait for a few seconds. As you can see, it shows subdomain deleted successfully. Now the last stage is you need to delete the files and the folders of that particular thing. Now for deleting the folders of that WordPress file into that domain, I need to delete the whole folder. Okay, so go to files and go to file manager and click on this access of files of your particular domain. So click on public underscore HTML. Now here, as you can see, there have a folder called tech news, because I installed WordPress into that domain tech news. So I first delete that WordPress. I delete the database, MySQL database of that. I also delete all the necessary files. Now if you click on this domain, you see it shows the default.php file, right? So the my work is to delete this folder also, because it will clean all the junks from my uh, hostinger. Okay, so I will select the folder, click on delete and click on delete. So as you can see, it shows the thing. Now you have to remember one thing, which is, in your case, if I show the sitemap.xml, sorry, this is not sitemax, this is sitemap, wrong spelling. So as you can see, in my case, in the sitemap, right, there may contain that subdomain. So if in your case, in your sitemap contain that particular subdomain, so you first need to remove that subdomain, and you also need to update the search console for that, because see, Google will send you a message that your subdomain cannot found, those pages cannot found. So you need to correct that thing also. So thank you guys.